Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to scroll a web page in a Selenium Python. Okay, see what exactly this scrolling means. Whenever you open some web application, something you can able to see there is a scrolling page here. Even you can able to when you open the notepad also you can able to scroll up and downs, right? Okay, this is also one kind of scrolling. And even here also web application also scrolling. How we can able to add this particular scrolling? This is basically if you are going to inspect a right click inspect, it will not provide anything, right? We are directly we are going and we are doing inspecting here. If you are trying, it's nothing showing, it's just HTML page, correct? Because we don't have any inspecting this one. How we can able to achieve this one means we have some sort of operation to do some Windows things. How we can able to use it and do this scrolling? We can able to do this scrolling by using three different format. One is by using pixel, or we can able to use for some web element, or we can able to scroll by end of the page like here. How these three things we can able to achieve into our this particular Selenium Python. I'm going to open my other class that I'm going to use for scroll page. Okay, now again I'm going to first I'll close these things and I can able to use up to here, and I need to use for URL this one. Okay, now I used up to here, there no issues. And now our main concept is to scroll some pixel first. We'll go by first one, pixel. How we can able to scroll our web driver. Okay, now I'm going to use for driver dot execute script. Execute script is there, and here we can able to provide some Windows command. Okay, Windows command is a window dot scroll by. If you mention scroll by, then it will take for some pixel, that is 0 come, and you can able to specify which how much location it need to be scroll, and I mentioned for 1000 here. Closing the brace, and it will take another also it's an empty, we can able to specify here, and you can able to enter. No need to bother about that, you can able to run now. Okay, if you run and see, then it will scroll down up to 1000 pixel, it will down scroll page. It will open and it will maximize, then it will you can able to see there is a vertical, you can able to scroll down it a little bit in the down. It will scroll down up to 1000 pixel. Now you can able to see basically it is in a top position, now it is dragged into 1000 pixel place, right? This is a way we can able to scroll down up to some particular pixels. Okay, we are able to do for pixel doing. Right now we can able to scroll down by element location, where the web element location is presented. That particular web element location we need to drag and drop, where we can able to choose this web table. We can able to take some web table This particular table place we can able to come and see that particular place it is presented or not. Even you can able to use any of them. Okay, voluntarily you can able to use any kind of operation. Now I'm taking 4 because it's a last to down. Okay, near to last. Due to that I'm checking this one and I'm going to take for web table. This is my web table and I'm going to take for XPath of this. Copying this XPath, I'm going to here. First I'm going to do for driver dot a find element and by dot XPath I'm going to pass my XPath here. Then and I need to store this into a variable because I need to use somewhere. Okay, now we stored a web element in a table format and that we need to move into that particular location. For this we need to use for this particular one. Okay, now I'm going to pass this one into the last position which it is there empty, and then we need to do some, we need to provide some command here. Okay, in that command only it will execute for your command. Move for that particular one. It is like a argument arguments zeroth position dot scroll in to view. This is a command we need to pass. Even you can able to search into Google for JavaScript execution by using Python scripting to do some Windows operation. Then you can able to get it some commands that also you can able to use it. Okay, this arguments is nothing but it's a position of where we are providing which position type. And scrolling to view means it's a particular view place it is navigating. Okay, now this is basically a web location place we are going to on navigating means up to a web table. If something the value like inside the argument place, if you are passing any mistake the naming convention, then it will not do some, any operation. Now you can able to see my web table place it is navigated. You can see now your page is in web table place. Correct. Up to web table place we are in navigated. Okay, this is another format to do for up to a web element place. Okay, now another option we have to scroll up to down ground. There is a last in this tab. It should be and the down. It should be see QR code. Right up to here. I need to scroll down my window. How we can able to do means this common this value. Now again here window this particular take and scroll here up to take. I'll take this one. Okay, I'll remove this one. I'll keep empty. And now here again I'm going to do for vertical is common and there is a value in the last session value we need to specify. What can we specify? We can able to do document dot body dot scroll height GHT height. Okay, this is the command we need to pass. What it is a document means whenever you created some HTML tags and all, it is by default it will do some DOM operations that indicates for this document. Body is nothing but in the DOM session we are mentioning for DOM every time. The DOM. How many things we need to pass for means like how much scroll we need to do means the height of the light means it will go to 0 to down place, it will scroll down. Now I'm going to do for it will navigate into a down place. The scrolling it will come to a down. Now you can able to see the scroll it is come into a down place. Right, it is previous in the top and now it is come to these three achievements we done, right? There's a pixel, element location, and also end of the page. Okay, this is a way we can able to scroll down by using our executions into our Selenium Python. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.